नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्याक येवकार. विशय म्हत्वाचो आसा तो म्हळ्यार उडिपींचो आउटलायन डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅनांचो. ज्या सरकाराक 3.5 वर्सां कंप्लीट जावन पसून रिजनल प्लॅन जाग्यार घालपाची टायमूय मेळना आनी संदी मेळना, त्या सरकाराक अकस्मात सगळे आउटलायन डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन्स ओपन करचेशे दिसतात आनी जितली बेगीन जाता तितले बेगीन तातूंत भितर करेक्शन्स, एडिशन्स, ऑल्टरेशन्स ह्या सगळे गजाली खातीर हे सगळे प्लॅन्स ओपन करचे दिसतात. ओपोजिशन म्हणटा हातूंत भितर स्कॅम आसा, सरकार म्हणटा गरज आसा. स्कॅम काय गरज हो आयचो मुद्दो आनी 3 मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर. परफेक्ट पॅनल आसा. पयले आसात ते म्हळ्यार आदले आमदार, काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी आनी स्पोक्सपर्सन अनिल फर्नांडीस, स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसात ते म्हजे बरोबर नॉर्थ गोवा पीडीएचे चेअरमॅन आनी भाजपाचे फुडारी आनी आमदार मायकल लोबो, स्वागत. आनी तिसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर ताळगांवचे फुडारी, तांकां भाजपाचे फुडारी म्हणप काय ना हें म्हाका दिसता डिबेट मुखार वतलें तशें कळटलें. दत्तप्रसाद नायक, स्वागत. अनिल, आय विल स्टार्ट विथ यू. योर पार्टी इज कॉलिंग इट अ स्कॅम. Why scam? And even your party has done these kind of things in the past. So why now accuse them of scams?
No, it's not only my party. The people of Goa are calling it a scam. You see, particularly with regards to Kalangud and Kandolim, PDA was imposed upon us despite the opposition of the people of the villages, both the villages. And now this ODP, there are so many things before you do a ODP. There should be a land use plan. That is not been done. So why this ODP now? People want to know, is it going to benefit the locals or is it going to benefit the builders? His argument that the main road should be reduced from 25 meters to 15 meters and the village roads, interior roads, to be extended from 3 meters to 6 meters. I cannot understand this logic. Normally, all over the world, you broaden the main roads. Here, he wants to reduce the width of the main roads, congest the main roads, and then open out the village roads, which small villages have got their properties.
So you are suspecting that all this has been done to benefit the builders lobby?
Definitely.
This is completely to benefit the real estate lobby.
His friends in the building lobby.
Okay, his friends in the building lobby. What about rest of the ODPs? There also you are suspecting a rat, smelling a rat?
Yes, why suddenly you open now? RP is to be brought out. The government came to power riding on the sentiments of the people and the social civil society that RP should come. Congress was thrown out. You keep that in deep freezer for 3.5 years and now you want to open ODP. Why? Why not RP first?
हांव मायकला मरे उच्च पयलीं आयलो गो टू दत्तप्रसाद. ताळगांवचो जेन्ना 2006चोच प्लॅन सारको अभ्यास केलो तुवें तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता तूंच भरपूर पिकार जालो, आबूज जालो, राग आयलो आनी करता तुमचेंच सरकार. एंड दीस इज बियॉन्ड पॉलिटिक्स, आय नो. बट हाव वूड यू रिएक्ट टू इट? तालिगांवची ODP ओपन जाल्या आणि मायकल बाब तुझ्या सायडीनच बसला. व्हॉट आर युअर क्वेश्चन्स टू हिम अँड व्हॉट आर युअर कन्सर्न्स?
पयलीं म्हणजे आतां मायकलान एक बरो स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो आसा, सेइंग दॅट ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू टच द एग्रीकल्चर लँड. इफ ही स्टँड्स बाय दॅट, पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव ताचो सत्कार करतले, हाडूंक नाका. बट हाऊ फार इज स्टँड बाय दॅट?
युअर डाउट्स?
आय हॅव डाउट्स. बट एक हांव तुका सांगूंक सोदतां. आतां जशें आग्नेल बाबान म्हणलें की इट्स अ स्कॅम. आय वूड नॉट से इट्स अ स्कॅम. हें आग्नेल बाबान जर 2006 म्हणिल्लें न्ही जाल्यार आज ताका अधिकार आशिल्लो म्हणटा. स्कॅम जाला 2006. डेफिनेटली करेक्शन्स तातूंत जावपाक जाय. रस्ते कितकेशेच दाखयल्ले आसा, शेतांच्यान दाखयल्ले आसा, वीच आर व्हेरी डेंजरस फॉर द लायफ ऑफ एवरी रेजिडेंट इन तालिगांव, वेदर ही स्टेईंग इन अ रियल इस्टेट ऑर वेदर इज अ विलेजर. ते करेक्ट करपाक सारकें गरजेचें आसा. शेतां राखपाची सामकें गरजेचें आसा. आनी काँग्रेसीक म्हणटा तो अधिकारूच ना आमचेर कितें एलिगेशन करपाक, कित्याक हो 2006 पळय जो जाल्लो ताळगांवची वाट लावपाक जबाबदार ते आसा.
आता तुमचेच सरकार ओपन करता करेक्शन्स आणि ऑल्टरेशन्सा खातीर सामकें मुभा दिवन दवरल्या सारकी. And you are fighting against it. So it is Congress or it is BJP. The end result is same for my guys.
No, it is not the same, because in 2006, Congress leadership from Taligaon supported that. Whereas in 2015 now, the BJP team from Taligaon will not support any wrongdoings. We will oppose every wrongdoing, if any, in the ODP.
But in 2006, it was not opposed. The local body, the panchayat, had also approved it. Also, like Michael was saying, there was a honeymoon marriage between the Taligaon and Panjim MLA at that time. So during the honeymoon, nobody objected.
So you are saying
There
The
was no
question of
objection.
honeymoon doesn't arise in
Are you-
Talegaon.
are you- are you-
There was no
2006
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ऑपोजिशनान आले
I know, but they never.
No, no, no,
They
no.
never-
They
Party was not
they
active in the
never-
My question
Congress
to
did all the
I'll come to Michael. I'll come to
scam
you.
over there.
Are you saying that the marriage between Talegaon and Panji no longer exists?
No, no, no. I don't know. The marriage exists. According to Michael, it exists.
According to Michael, it exists.
At that time, there was honeymoon. Then they fight. They have a honeymoon again. Now, the other party, other bride, maybe Datta Prasad, he is not taken into confidence. He might be the other bride.
No, no, no.
At
तसं
that time,
काहीच
it
ना.
came. No, but the marriage is
The
going on
question
now,
of-
according to Michael. So at that time, there was
एक लक्षात
marriage.
ठेवा.
At
So
that
the-
time, there was marriage. The honeymoon was going on. Nobody
So the
objected.
marital status between Panjikars and Talgaonkars is still not single.
Not single.
Not single. Okay. I'll come to you.
Panjekar is a Talegaonkar today.
Panjikar is a Talgaonkar.
He's staying in Talegaon.
Michael,
आणि एक लक्षात दवर वी हॅव फुल कॉन्फिडन्स इन आर लिडरशिप. आमच्या प्रत्येक कार्यकर्ते आमकां आमच्या लिडरशिपी सामके विश्वास आसा आनी वी नो दॅट आर लिडरशिप इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग सच विच इज गोइंग टू इफेक्ट द पीपल ऑफ
but you still have doubts about whether Michael will be able to stick to his statement or no.
पळय कितें आसा आतां ताणें आपलें क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिल्लें आसा अँड वी एक्सेप्ट इट बट हाऊ फार ही इज गोइंग टू स्टँड ते आमी बडी घेवन रावतले न्ही.
आता बुडी घेऊन तुम्ही रावल्यातच.
फाल्यां तर तो हे
झाल्यानंतर
करता.
झाल्यानंतर
ना ताका आमी ऑलरेडी डिमांडेड की जावच्या पयलीं आमकां पयलीं दाखय कितें तें नाल्यार आमी एज्युटेट करपाक रेडी.
I'll come to the technicalities of जावच्या पयलीं आमकां दाखय, but I'll give Michael full chance. You are in this eye of the storm.
See, I am not in the eye of a storm.
Hmm.
People will actually see what I am going to do. तालिगांव ओडीपी जो आयज ओपन जालो 2006 फायनल जालो. आयज 2016 पावला आमी 10 years जाले 15 जाले 9 years कंप्लीट जाले. जे एरर्स तितून आहा, जे डेलिबरेट एरर्स केल्ले आहा, जे चुकोन घडलेले आनी डेलिबरेट कितकेच जाणांची लँड आता कितले जाण भाडकार थिंगा आसले तेंची लँड इन्स्टिट्युशनल झोन केल्ली आहा. सेटलमेंट झोन आसली ती इन्स्टिट्युशनल केल्ली आहा. तेंकां इन्स्टिट्यूट घालपाचेच ना थिंगा. कोणाची लँड सेटलमेंट आसली ती ऑर्चर्ड केल्या. खूब जाणांची लँड शेतां आहा पळय थिंगा सेटलमेंट केल्ल्या. जे कोणे बांदूंक ना ते हांवें वयल्यान कॅटेगरिकल स्टेटमेंट केला. आय विल रिवर्स दॅट लँड. आय हॅव गॉट मेनी थिंग्स. As long as I will remain as a chairman, I have said that I will not allow any paddy field to come into settlement. This is my first statement and I stand by it.
As long as I
I will-
remain as chairman of
Are-
PDA
Of course, how will I stop it?
and
If
your
I'm
term
not-
ends in next 3 months.
No, that is with the government to give extension on the term.
No, his term will be extended as long as he keeps quiet against the
No,
government.
no.
As long as he stops shouting
See, I'll
against the
tell you
government,
one
as long as he
thing.
says there is no
I will
prostitution,
not allow
there is no
anything-
drugs, then he will be extended.
I
If he starts shouting
will
against the
not allow
government, his
any
term will be
fishy
ended.
things to happen.
No, but
I will not allow.
what
Let
according
us- I am
to you is
Michael,
fishy?
let us
What
let us-
I
according
have
to you
got
is
some.
fishy?
No, फिशी म्हणजे आधी फिशी झाला थिंगा.
but-
शेतां कन्वर्ट
No,
केल्या.
but are you saying
रोड
that-
दाखवल्या
no,
शेतांसून.
tell me one thing.
जिंगा घरात ना.
No, Michael Bob, are you
roads to nowhere.
You tell me one thing, the land which was acquired for university to set up more colleges or whatever in that, थिंगा 25 meter internal road दाखवला. ते लोकांकूय नाका तो आणि युनिव्हर्सिटीकूय नाका तो. आता कोण काडटलो तो?
No, but at that time it was
But
open.
university
ODP was
was
open.
open, but universityचा विषय
the
वेगळा.
Penzim
People had
MLA
objected. People had
No, no,
also
no.
objected.
Penzim
Let
MLA
us
was
not
the-
only-
Penzim
let us
MLA
come
was
to
a
the main
member of
village.
the-
No,
of the
but
PDA.
Are you saying that the old ODP was wrong?
Of course.
Okay. Now, if you say that the old ODP was wrong,
Not wrong. There
The
are
person
errors
was
in
at the
that.
okay.
Errors
Right.
are there. Major errors are there which need to be
त्या
corrected.
timer, the person who was representing Talegaon was Babush Monsarraj in 2006. Huh?
He was the MLA.
Okay. Now you are trying
Who
to
was the chairman?
now Nilkant Dalankar.
Yeah.
Now you are trying to correct it with his wife. तो कसले correction करतलो? She is
No,
the only
see-
member who is representing Talegaon.
See-
There is not a local villager on the board of PDA.
She is the MLA.
Without taking any local
of Talegaon.
villagers into confidence, how you expect to do
See,
the changes?
we have kept the
जे
plan
गोवान
open.
वाईट केला ते बायल कशी सारखे करतले
ना,
हाचे
ना,
उत्तर दिवंक जाय आमकां.
Let me be very frank. The plan is open. Datta Prasad is free to put all his suggestions with the plan. आता प्लॅन त्याने त्याच्या मंडलान काल आमच्या कडसून प्लॅन येला ऑफिशियली येला ओडीपी प्लॅन येला तालिगांवचो. So let them do whatever things which is wrong on 2006. We will go deep into that. We will do site inspection if required. Then we will change whatever they are pointing
I'll
out
come
what
to
is
that.
wrong
Okay,
and
correct.
actually wrong,
Agnel
which should be corrected.
Your
We
argument
take people
is-
into confidence. Who said no?
Your argument
One
is,
time is there for that.
No,
One
no, no,
month.
but the question is not of 1
One
month.
month
तू आता
time
2
is
महिने
there.
दी. But जेन्ना तू final करतलो,
Yeah.
will you keep that for us to see?
No, we will bring you.
No, 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 no. It is not a question of Dr. Prasad Naik here. It is a question of 26,500 Taligaonkars.
No, it is not only
Panchayati-
Talegaon. It is a
Panchayati
question
and
of
general
Goa.
public are
Let us be
open
very
with law.
frank. It is also a
After
question of
correction.
Goa. When we are doing ODP for Talegaon, it is ODP for Goa. It is.
बरं
गोव्यानूच येता न्हू
After
Talegaon. It is
correction,
not some
will you allow the
independent
people-
kingdom of Talegaon.
After-
We will see that the people who have objected will also invite them
Okay.
to see that we have done correction.
Agnel Babu is
No,
the
no, no,
most.
no, no.
Agnel Babu-
म्हाका इच्छाच तुझ्याकडे हय काय ना ते सिंपल हातून
कितें?
सांग
कितें?
की जेन्ना तू तुझे सगळे करेक्शन करून मोकळो जालो मागीर तू ताळगांवच्या लोकांक तो फायनल करच्या पयलीं
कितल्या
पळोवपाक
जाणांक
दितलो काय ना?
कोणे आमकां सजेशन ऑब्जेक्शन दिला तेंका आपोवया न्हू.
ओके
Okay.
Appoint-
This is a clear-cut commitment.
Yeah,
I think Agnel Babu is in a very comfortable position looking at two BJP leaders questioning each other. Your argument is your government did it in 2006, but Panji MLA was also a member of the committee. He did not object. That is your argument.
No, I will interrupt you.
Okay.
I have seen on record the books of the minutes of the of that time. I went through all the minutes. I have seen that Honorable ex-Chief Minister, आमचो Chief Minister आता आल्लो तो ex-Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar objected on the ODP of Talegaon. He objected.
And he has also gone on record in his various meetings. He has said, protect Taligaon from land sharks.
Okay.
No, he has objected, but his objection was overruled by
Absolutely.
the.
So
Congress
if it
government.
can be overruled, what is the guarantee now you all are not going to overrule?
See, what I have said, if I am going to do wrong things, I will not want to be a party to signing that.
Michael
plan.
Babu, let me ask you a direct question.
Let us be
There
very
is too
frank.
much pressure on you right now from
There is-
various quarters to get things done.
See, there is
The
no,
way-
there is absolutely
Some
no
of
pressure.
the-
I understand what you are trying to tell me. Michael Lobo does not come under pressure.
But Michael Lobo is facing pressure.
No,
I will tell you,
let there be as much of pressure.
But there
I
is
don't come
pressure.
under pressure.
Michael, I am not going into.
I will
I'm
not come
going
under
into
pressure.
whether you will-
No, Michael Bob, let's not get into this pressure and हे सगळें. We want, let us talk on the ODP. Okay? ODP चेर म्हाका
No, Dr. there is pressure is important because your leaders are putting the pressure on him.
No,
No,
my
no, no.
leaders-
Your party,
No, my
your
leaders-
party leaders are putting a pressure
No,
on
no,
him.
no.
My leaders will never allow anything wrong to
See.
happen.
Congress.
And Michael is a MLA of Bharatiya Janata
Congress
Party.
leaders
I am
are
also
not-
confident he is not
Maka-
going to do
Congress
this.
leaders are not
Are you-
pressurizing Michael.
Maka-
Your leaders are
Maka-
pressurizing
Maka
Michael.
इतकें सांगचें.
No,
Maka इतकें
not
सांगचें.
not a single leader of Bharatiya Janata Party has approached me or
Congress
has
is pressurizing
pressurized me.
Now, Michael
No,
Bob,
but if you
Nobody
are
has
sure about your
pressurized
party,
me.
if you are sure about your
said
party,
on record. You have said on record that you are not going to convert agricultural land.
100%. Why
Yes.
should?
ओके आणि तुवें आनी एक म्हणलां की आपूण असो वचचो ना आपूण असो वतलो ताळगांवच्या लोकांक इतक्या वयर व्हरनाका की आमकां सकल केन्ना पडटलें तें कळचें ना सो वी
ना,
डोंट वॉन्ट
we
टू
will-
हाय रायझीस
No, but
No.
Dr. Prasad,
No.
if you trust your leadership, why are you even objecting?
Okay, okay.
Why are you
The very,
objecting?
very valid point from Agnel Babu. Yeah, very
Why are
valid.
you objecting? If you trust your leadership, why are you objecting to the ODP? Trust your leadership and keep
ही
quiet.
ओडीपी कोण करता आणि कोण बसून करता हे आमकां अजून खबर ना आय डोंट
Your government, your MLA, your government.
पळय कितें आसा तू सगळे एमएलए करनाका तो
Government
प्लेनार
म्हणटा.
येवन बसना
Government and MLA.
कोण आर यू हॅव्हिंग सम गुड जिओलॉजिस्ट विथ यू हू हॅज स्टडीड द सॉइल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ तालिगांव
He should tell you.
आय एम आस्किंग यू ओनली
See, ODP is the right of Planning and Development Authority given by Town and Country, Bhadla Town and Country
Absolutely.
Planning
Nobody
Act.
is questioning your
Now,
right.
जे wrong कितें जाला तितून आमी मेजर करेक्शन करतले. आता तुम्ही जो तर तेजेरूय माझेर प्रेशर हाडटा अहे कहे करतले तहे कहे करतले गेले उपरांत सांगा की बाबा मायकलान रॉंग केला वा राईट केला.
I will ask you a simple basic question. तुम्ही अजून रिजनल प्लॅनाक हात घालो ना तुम्ही रिजनल प्लॅन काढून कोल्ड स्टोरेज उडयला तुम्ही ताजे हयी म्हणनात नाही म्हणनात डिसिजनय घेनात. What was the urgency to open ODPs? What was the
See,
what happened?
I will explain.
Okay, then I'll go to Michael.
This is a case 372 of 2009. Kalangur United versus State of Goa. There is a builder who built a big construction with proposed 6-meter road. The High Court has directed that the road must be there physically. Now, in such cases, he is going to put that road in ODP. He is going to take money from these builders. build up funds for his third front, and issue permissions. That is the pressure. That is why he also broadened the village roads and narrow the other bigger roads, main roads. That is his
So you are
problem.
not only
See.
putting Michael in real estate lobby, you are also putting
He's
him in
already
third
there.
front.
He's already there.
You are also putting him in third front also.
allegation that he didn't take money.
Okay, Michael, too serious allegation.
एक सांगता ते ऐक
हय.
कालांगूट आणि कांदोली आमदार हांव आतां जाला 2012 तेजे पयलीं 5 वर्सां हांव झगडला हे सगळे जे मॅच जाताले न्हू कालांगूट कांदोली बागा तेजेर
He's the
आय वॉज भारतीय जनता पार्टी ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट आयज तो आहा पळय तो हांव आसलो तेन्ना
झगडलाय
कालांगूट
तूं.
आय फॉट ऑन आम्ही एज्युकेशनाक कितलीच केली कालांगूट कांदोली बागा ऑलरेडी कॉन्क्रिटायज केली हेंच्यांनी आणि सांगप कितें ना टाउन प्लॅनिंगान परमिशन दिला न्हू आमकां दिवचेच पडटा म्हणजे ग्राम सभेक जे लोक येवन बॉब मारता बाबा हे आमकां हॉटेल नाका हे आमकां बिल्डींग नाका ना ते आमकां दिवचेच पडटा
तूं आतां FIR वाडयता.
टाउन ना हांव FIR वाडयना
You said you
सी
want to FIR.
लेट मी कम ऑन रिकॉर्ड टुडे दॅट म्हाका कालांगुटान कांदोली बागान ओडीपी प्लॅन हाडपाची गरजूच नासली जो तर हेंच्यांनी मॅस करूंक नासले आणि मॅस करून दवरला कालांगूट कांदोली बागा हे मॅस करेक्शन करपाक म्हाका FIR वाडोवपाची गरज ना पॉयंट 80 आहा तोच आसतलो रुल्स त्यो चेंज करपाची गरज ना पण माझे उपरांत कोण चेअरमॅन जातलो आणि कितें करतलो तेची गॅरंटी ना आय एम वरीड अबाउट दॅट
Then don't
बट
you
टुडे
think
लेट अस पुट आवर हाऊस इन ऑर्डर फॉर दॅट यू नीड टू हेल्प मी that side Kalangut Joseph Sikvera needs to help me nobody is helping
regional plan.
but no काय कोल्लीच एक्सरसाइज जावना सेवरेज नेटवर्क कांदोली कित्याक स्टार्ट जावना तू आमदार आसलो 10 वर्सां कित्याक जावना आख्खी घाण सगळी
I
इथून वयता
network start झाला only because of me.
No, no,
You have
no,
taken
no, no.
advantage.
See,
You see what happened?
10 वर्ष झाली 10 वर्ष झाली
You
हे
show me.
दोघी झाड झोगडल्या
You show me when you propose it. When did you propose it?
See, I'm not
When
against
did you
Agnel,
propose it?
neither I'm against
No,
Joseph.
when did you
They
propose
both
it?
fought and put the people on ransom.
when-
सारखे लोकांक
Michael,
त्रास
my
करून
question is
उडयल्या
very simple.
ना आमकां कालांगूट कांदोलीच्या बागाच्या लोकांक we want to give justice to those people.
Michael,
When did you pro- when
But
did you
I will
propose
not-
that sewage treatment plant?
No,
When
no,
did you pro-
no,
It was
no.
my
Michael,
project.
Michael.
You have just inaugurated
It was the project of Suresh Parulekar.
Michael, my question
Y'all
is
could
very
not
simple.
start it only. I had to come and start.
Michael, my question is very simple. तू म्हणटा की आज तू उतर दिता गोंयकाराक की आपूण खंयचीच पॅडी फील्ड कन्वर्ट करतो
ना करतो ना
तुजे फाटल्यान जो कोण चेअरमॅन जातलो पीडीएचो
होय.
तो कितें करत आमच्यान सांगपा जायना
See,
अशी परिस्थिती
on what we have kept a time period of 6 months for Taligaon and Mapsa which is already open. दो 1 महिन्याचो टाइम दिला आम्ही सजेशन ऑब्जेक्शन 500 एप्लिकेशन जेन्ना हांव चेअरमॅन जाल्लो इन द इयर 2012 येयल्ली आमकां तेन्ना आमकां एक ऑर्डर येयल्ली की सम पीपल वेंट टू कोर्ट दॅट आमच्या घराचे मोजसून रोड दाखयला म्हणून पेंजीमचे येयल्ले तालिगांवचे येयल्ले आणि म्हापसाचे येयल्ले खूप येयल्ले की प्रपोज रोड हा पळय ते आमच्या भाटांसून दाखयला कोण म्हणटा आपल्या किचनांसून दाखयला दे वेंट टू कोर्ट गेव इन्स्ट्रक्शन तेन्ना आमकां टाउन प्लॅनिंगाच्या डिपार्टमेंटांसून ऑर्डर येयली की तुमी ही सगळी करेक्शनां करा आमकां तशी करेक्शनां करूंक जायना ती इट हॅज टू बी रिव्हिजन ऑफ ओडीपी सो फायनली वी सेंड अ प्रपोजल वी गॉट द ऑर्डर नाव फॉर रिव्हिजन ऑफ ओडीपी इन 2015 so we are doing revision.
There is no land use map. So where are you going to correct it from? You have to have a land use map.
See, we are
and
not
then
interested in
ODP.
doing any ODP for Kandolim and Kalangut if they cooperate. If Kalangut Panchayat cooperates, Kandoli Panchayat cooperates with the government to do आता जे डेव्हलपमेंट झाला थिंगा कोणे तेंच्यांनी करूंक ना हे सगळे बिल्डरांनी डेव्हलपमेंट केला हांव आमदार जावच्या पयलीं ते सगळे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर थिंगाच उरलो जो मेन रोड म्हणटा तो 25 मीटर त्याच्या सायडीक हेंच्यांनी वोट बँक म्हणून बांदूंक दिले सगळ्यांक आता कितें मोडी आहा ती द ब्लेम शूड कम ऑन मायकल लोबो टू ब्रेक ऑल दोस थिंग्स
You were trying. You
No, we never broke anybody's house or anything like that.
Second question
Yeah.
is about Mapsa. Now, Amdar of Mapsa is the deputy CM, Minister for Town and Country Planning.
Yeah.
He is just giving deadlines on regional plan, but when it comes to Mapsa ODP, he is just opening it up and he is even making statements that builders are also stakeholders. What signal do you want to send across Goa?
See, if you look at MAPSA, business builders are stakeholders. त्याने स्टेटमेंट जो केला टू लिटल एक्सटेंट builders are also providing म्हणजे आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट टॉप बिल्डर्स हू आर गिविंग आउटसायडर. आमच्या गोंयकारांक जर तर थोडी फ्लॅटां घेतल्या, जे कोणाचे हाऊजीस एक्सटेंड जाले, आतां दत्ता प्रसादाक 4 चेडे आहा, 4 चेडूं आहा, ती जो तर काजार जावन गेली, तांकां खंय तरी रावपाक जाय, ही तेडी फ्लॅटां घेतल्या. सो दे आर पार्ट स्टेक होल्डर्स. आय एम नॉट गिविंग देम फूल.
He's talking about builders, not a
पळय,
Chilwell
म्हणजे जी
Kandulim.
कोण काजार
No,
जाता,
no,
तांचें
कोण-
घर असतलें, हे लक्षात
कोणे
दवर.
कोणे तरी
No, you don't give that
कोणे
example.
तरी फ्लॅटां
पळय, हे
फ्लॅटां ती
लक्षात
घेवपाक जाय.
दवर. Why not
We
treat
cannot-
as a house?
No, regional plan No, regional plan has to be finalized.
When?
There is no doubt about it. That is he is the minister for town and country planning. He's got a chief town planner. He's got a full team with him. I cannot tell him like do it tomorrow or do it day after tomorrow. But as a MLA of Kalangut or MLA for Goa, I want the regional plan to be done on priority as soon as
The
possible.
question is very simple.
Aye.
We always said that there should be a one Goa plan. When we do one regional plan, one ODP, it becomes lot of confusion and lot of mess and there is scope for corruption. आज जेन्ना हे रिजनल प्लॅनाक हातच घालना आणि ओडीपी ओपन करता ते मागीर करेक्शना खातीर आसूं कित्या खातीर आसूं तुका वायट दिसना एक बीजेपीचो लिडर
म्हाका
म्हणून
वायट दिसता एकूच गोष्ट की लोकांक आज त्रास जाता. तुका एक क्लियर एक्झाम्पल दिवचें म्हणजे काल तुवें तो घेराचो विशय तुमी कव्हर केला सगळ्यांनी. घेराचो विशय असो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आसा की घेरान गोंयकारूच रावता आणि थंय सायडीक तांकां ज्या लोकांक इफेक्ट जाता ते गोंयकारूच. सो आज बिकॉज ऑफ दीस रियल इस्टेट मेस थंय इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमचो सारको ना. लोकांक आज तालिगांव लायट ना, उदक ना, सेवरेज थंयच्यान अजून जाल्ली ना. सो हे आमचो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सारकी नासतना जर तूं हांगा सगळी S1 झोन्स आसा ती सगळी C1 आणि C2 करूंक लागलो आनी हांगा लोक रावपाक येतले, आमी त्रासान पडटले सगळे ताळगांवचे लोक.
No, there has to be sustainable development.
जोपर्यंत जायना
तोपर्यंत हात लावप ना.
हात लावप ना न्ही. आनी तूं आनी एक आमकां कमिटमेंट दितास, 8 रस्ते आसा ताळगांवान शेतांच्यान दाखयल्ले. आर यू गोइंग टू रिवर्स दोज रोड्स?
You all give me in writing
Yes,
now.
we will be giving you.
Yes,
But
yes.
are you giving commitment? शेतांनी रस्ते आसा.
Until
जे
and
बरे
unless-
रस्ते.
until and
Are you going
unless-
to reverse those?
I am not the MLA of Taligaon to give him direct commitment right now.
You're the
See,
chairman
why
of
you are
I am
the
chairman of
chairman
PDA. I have to see it. I have to see.
MLA of तालिगांवांतूच लोकांक हे सगळे दिला
ना, ना.
आशिल्ले 2002.
ऐक.
आणि आज ताचे भायर बसल्या थंय.
See.
So तूं तांकां घेवन जर
See,
ODP
let
करपाचें
me
चित्ता, जाल्यार तूं आनीक
ना
त्रासान
तेंका
घालतलो.
घेवन ओडीपी करपाचो प्रश्न येना हिंगा.
We want villagers
ODP
to
already
have
आहा.
confidence.
तेका रेक्टिफिकेशन आणि करेक्शन करपाक
हय,
जाय.
but ते correction
झालं.
villagers are confidence करूंक जाय. MLA नी.
एक गजाल, are you unhappy with regional plan being kept in cold storage and ODPs being open and why that is happening? What is your party's interpretation?
You see, it's not my party. His party is also objecting. Regional plan, he was saying we need planning for Goa. Planning for Goa is the regional plan, not small piecemeal ODPs. Kalangut and Kandulim has done extensive exercise with participation of the people and the Gram Sabhas.
For regional plan.
For regional plan. So why now you bring this ODP? Well, he fooled the people last time saying PDA Italy, we will regularize all the houses.
Of course, we
And
regularize in these 2 meetings. We regularize more than 30 houses.
They are not fully regularized.
30. Now I am
They are
telling
not
you, it
fully
is
regularized.
regularized.
They have
We have given order of regularization.
Why regional plan is being kept in cold storage and why ODPs are being pushed ahead?
Regional plan is kept in cold storage and ODPs are pushed so that they can make money for the third front.
So you are saying this is entirely Michael's scam?
No, it's the third front and the government is giving them chance to make money because he has been shouting against the government all this time. Have you heard him speak his mind now? Have you heard him speak
Why?
anything
Why?
besides the ODP?
Whatever is wrong, I will speak.
That means there is
Nobody
no drugs.
can-
You
nobody
said-
can
he said-
stop me from
he-
speaking.
He said there are no foreigners selling drugs
आम्ही
now.
काहीच
Are there no
वाईट
foreigners?
जावपाक ह्या
Is there only
ODP
locals
दिवचा.
selling drugs? Are there
Agarwal,
only
you are
locals selling?
saying the BJP government and third front are in alliance and they are raising funds for each other.
ताका हक्कूच नाही म्हणपाक.
Okay.
हे पाड घातला तांच्यानी 2002.
Oy.
ताका अधिकारूच नाही.
See, we are correcting the wrongdoings of the earlier government.
But
He is not coming.
Congress
You are
party
right. You are right.
आणि
You are coming.
NCP NCPचो चेअरमॅन आलो निलकंठ आणि काँग्रेस हे दोघांनी मेळून हे मॅस केल्ल्या
No, but your
आणि हे
party is not
करेक्शन
coming.
करपाक आमकां दवरल्या आणि हे आता एलिगेशन आमचेर घालता हे करप्शन करपाचें आहा म्हणून हे थर्ड फ्रंटाक फ्रंट करपाचे आहा म्हणून हांव तुका इतलें सांगूंक सोदता
Getting convinced.
only
Not getting
when
convinced.
this plan will be ready they can talk about it.
Okay, you are
Till then please do not talk
okay, till then
because you have made the mess. We have not made the mess.
You are saying-
I will not make the mess.
Michael Bob, you are saying
Yeah.
you are only cleaning the mess.
Mess.
You are not creating more mess.
No, I will
Only
not
thing
create
is
mess-
Datta
more
Prasad
mess.
has very strong doubts about
No,
it.
Yes.
I just hope that the mess of the Congress government
Is not increased
is
by-
not a burden for the BJP. आमचेर आतां हो 2015 जे कितें रिव्हिजन जातलें ते आमचेर आतां बर्डन जावचो न्ही हो ताळगांवच्या लोकांक त्रासान घालचे न्ही म्हणून आमकां पयलीं हाजे कडल्यान कमिटमेंट जाय तो दिवपाक तयार ना की तो 8 रस्ते काडटा म्हणून भितरले तशेंच
Till we don't
तशेंच
get,
एग्रीकल्चर
till we don't see on the ground, and if these roads cannot be built and they are not for the benefit of anybody over there, we will remove
But
it.
you were chairman for so long, you didn't see it till today, you didn't
How
see
can
the
I
road.
see?
ओपनच करून
And that is why you are saying-
ODP ओपन केल्यार आता 1 महिना झालो.
Open because of that.
दुसरे आणि एक
He said it's open because of that.
एक एग्रीकल्चर लँडान जी पळय 2000
आमचे कडेन order येयल्या, तुका जाय जाल्यार दिता copy.
विल यू रिव्हर्स देम बॅक टू द एग्रीकल्चर लँड कित्याक थंय शेतां रोयता लोक
होय.
ते कमिटमेंट दिता तूं
See, whatever I have given commitment is in front of the media on the other day when we took a press conference.
ज्या जाग्यार
Again and again commitments आणि कोल्हे
Okay.
दिवपाचे.
ना, ज्या
ज्या
जाग्यार
जाग्यार-
C2 झोन्स आसा आणि थंय शेत रोयता अजून थंय कांयच कन्स्ट्रक्शन जाल्लें ना आर यू गोइंग टू रिवर्ट इट बॅक टू एग्रीकल्चर
See, whatever has happened earlier, we will check. Let them put it up in
He's
writing.
asking a particular question, what
Because
writing?
no, let them put it up in writing. Our committee is there to scrutinize. We will go to inspect. तेंकाय होता न्हू तेंकाय पार्टिसिपेशन because they are giving the in writing.
Final time, what is your expectation from the government regarding ODP?
See, this government has done a U-turn on everything. Whatever commitment he gives, there will be a big U-turn or a zero O-turn. So there
So
is
you have no expectation.
definitely, I mean, the people
And you have no hope.
No hope.
Okay, how
See, if there was no hope,
Hope
people like
म्हणटा-
me from the party,
नो होप म्हणटा वयता हेंच्यांनी 2016 केला कितें
बरें मायकल टाइम
आमकां होप म्हणपाक
मायकल मला टाइम सांगला म्हाका एकच गजाल
आमी जेन्ना रॉंग करतले तेन्ना उलोवया
बरें
आमी रॉंग करपाक येवंक ना हिंगा हय.
थांबता जरी व्हडली डिबेट जाल्यार मायकल सांगता की आमचो प्लॅन पळयात आणि मागीर आवाज करात आणि आग्नेल लोकांक दिसता की दिस विल अगेन बी अनादर यू टर्न दिस कमिटमेंट इज नॉट गोइंग टू यील्ड एनी फ्रुटफुल रिझल्ट हांव इतल्याचें थांबता सगळ्यांच्यो नदरो ज्यो ओडीपीस ओपन केल्यात आणि ज्यो करपाचो सरकार विचार करता ताचेर आसतल्यो जशें दत्त प्रसादान म्हणत तशें लेट द बर्डन ऑफ 2006 नॉट बी कॅरीड फॉरवर्ड इतल्याचेर आमी थांबतात तुमी आयले इतली बरे तरेन विशय म्हणा थँक्स
not the mistakes of 2006 be a burden for us in 2015.
2015 पवित्राबाद प्रुडंट नमस्कार